What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CEI ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point. And I've told you that we have to hold this line, and it is the support line that is the confluence in between these previous two bottoms. We had two touches of this range right here, and it is the confluence with this previous top of the first wave. And I've told you that we shouldn't break this range in order to hit higher targets, because we cannot have an overlap in the fourth wave with the territory of the first one. And technically we broke this range to the downside, and this means we cannot have the range of 0.786 Fibonacci extension at the price point of $2.12 as our main target for now, because in most cases when we have this breakout below the top of the first wave, it becomes a diagonal, but I have a lot of doubts with the diagonal as well. And I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news related to this company. First of all, let's continue with their numbers. I have to say that their numbers are not so impressive, and we don't have the most recent information, because this information was published, I guess, even several months ago. And the most recent information basically is unknown. We can rely only on their total market cap of $323.95 million, and basically that's it. That is why this company is not so attractive from the investor standpoint, because we cannot rely on the company without any fundamental numbers. Next one, the total sentiment of the market is not so favorable as well. As you can see, S&P 500 lost about 1.3%, Dow Jones lost about 0.69%, Nasdaq lost about 2.18%, and Russell 2000 lost about 1.59%. Crude oil gained about 2.9%, but despite of this increase in price, CEI ticker went lower. And technically it is not the good sign, because we have a discrepancy in between the price action of crude oil and the CEI ticker symbol, and I will show you this in my technical analysis. On top of that, let me show you that we had a lot of support from stock tweets community, and for now on the watchers section we don't have a CEI ticker. On the most active section we have CEI ticker on the 9th place with 534 mentions. Not so many, I have to say, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. That's why this asset is losing its momentum. On top of this information, let me show you the apewisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity on Wall Street Bets community. And we don't have the CEI ticker on the first page, we have it on the second page, on the 178th place, and this asset lost about 146 rows. And it has two mentions, only two mentions for the last 24 hours. Definitely it is losing its momentum even from Wall Street Bets community, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let me show you the total sentiment for CEI stock. If you type in Google search bar CEI stock and switch to news tab folder, as you can see we have several news related to this asset, but all of them are outdated. The most recent one was made about 1 day ago, but it is not so important from the fundamental standpoint. And that's why without major support from retail community and without any major news that directly related to this company, this asset is losing its momentum, because it is not the best stock from the fundamental standpoint, as I already mentioned, and that is why it has this weak volume during this consolidation phase. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let me show you first of all the price of oil, And right here, as you can see, we had the confluence in between the price action of oil and the price action of CEI ticker symbol. We have the top of the price right here on oil at $104 and the top of price of CEI ticker of roughly $1 right here. Then we had the decrease in its prices. Then the top of crude oil prices was right here, exactly at the same point when we hit our price target. And by the way, I nailed this movement to the upside, and it was about 36% of profits within just a couple of sessions. And also I've told you that when we hit this range, we will have a huge retracement, and it happened. And this asset lost from its highest point about 55% to its current range. So let me show you right here that previously these two assets didn't have much confluence with its price actions. As you can see, from this point, price of CEI ticker went lower, but the price of oil went higher. And definitely for now, let me show you the most recent price action. As you can see, when the price of oil during the last session went higher, the price of CEI ticker went lower. And we have this discrepancy with this price action. That's why, in my opinion, without any major news directly related to CEI company and to its main activity, we won't see the correlation in between the prices of crude oil and the CEI ticker. That's why we have to be cautious. So let me clean the chart a little bit. What should we expect next? In my opinion, our next major key points becomes this one, the bottom of our third wave, and let me mark it for you. This might be the lower support range that we shouldn't break in order to remain bullish. Because if we will break this range of about 55 cents, definitely it will invalidate the third wave as our motive wave, because we will have a retracement that is more than 100% of its initial movement. That's why the third wave will be invalidated, and that's why the entire structure will be invalidated as well. We will have the X wave right here at this very point, and this means we will see lower prices and lower consolidation phase before next run to the upside. So, and the second range that we should keep in mind is this one, is the top of our first wave. Because we still have a possibility to break this range to the upside and have this level as the level of support. And in this case, we still have the chances to hit higher targets, but in my opinion, we won't hit the ranges above the top of our third wave right here. So we won't hit the range above $1.96. And that's why, in my opinion, you have to be very cautious. And if you want to accumulate the position with this asset, and if you believe that this asset will hit higher targets, your downside potential might be up to 40% until you hit the stop loss, and it is quite massive decrease, I have to say. And the upside potential is not so massive. In best case scenario, you will have up to 121% of potential profits. Technically, it is a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but in general, I have to say that we don't have any confirmation of potential trend reversal. That's why most likely we will have the lower price action with this asset, and that's why you have to be cautious. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!